Welcome to our DxOdyssey demo video. Today, we are going to show you how to use DxOdyssey to create a secure application-level microtunnel between an on-premises machine and a SQL Server database instance running in the public cloud, all without the use of a VPN and without opening any external ports. In addition, we will demonstrate the simple process of scaling out DxOdyssey by installing DxOdyssey on a machine and making it a part of the gateway group. Here's a diagram of what we will be creating throughout this demo. We have an on-premises origin gateway and a cloud-based destination gateway that we've joined together, and we will show the configuration of a tunnel to access the SQL Server instance in Azure on the far right from a client on the Oregon side. We have already completed the quick installation of DxOdyssey on these two machines. DxOdyssey can be installed on any Windows or Linux machine. This gateway group consists of Windows Server 2016 machine running in Azure called Azure Win 2, and the other is a Windows Server 2019 machine that resides on premises in Portland, Oregon. Now we're going to create our tunnel by going to the Tunnel Manager and clicking Add Tunnel. First, we give our tunnel a name. Then, we set up the tunnel destination. In this case, we want the destination gateway to be the Azure Win 2 machine. Then, we set the host name or IP address of the target. We're entering the IP address of the Azure Ubuntu 1 machine, which is where our SQL Server instance is running. Next, we specify the port number for our target, which is the SQL Server default port 1433. In the next section, we can add as many origins as we wish. Here, we pick our origin gateway, the OR Win 2019, and define the network that is allowed to tunnel through this origin gateway. In this case, all is allowed. Then, we set the local port on the origin gateway that we want to create the listener on. We're setting this value to an available port number on this machine, 11433. The last drop-down allows us to enable a source filter to only allow certain clients to access the tunnel. So here, we will select the PDX only filter that we have configured previously that allows access to the tunnel only from the Portland office. Then, by clicking OK, the tunnel is created. Once created, the tunnel information can be reviewed from this screen. Now we're going to connect to another machine in the Oregon data center and connect to SQL Server Management Studio using the origin gateway information. So the 0.175 IP is the origin gateway server OR-Win 2019, then the origin gateway port number. Below this, we then enter our user and password for the SQL Server instance and connect. So now we're connected to our cloud SQL Server instance. To demonstrate this point, we'll query the server name, version, and host name of the instance. The server name returns with Azure Ubuntu 1. The version is SQL Server 2017 for Linux, and OR-NUC for the host name, which is the machine we're connecting from. We have successfully connected to the cloud instance without ever leaving our local network. To further illustrate the security, we're now going to look at the inbound networking settings for the Azure Ubuntu 1 machine. Here we can see that there are no open ports for SQL Server connections whatsoever on the machine running our SQL Server instance. Next, we're going to show how to add another gateway to this gateway group. From the existing DxOdyssey gateway group, we're going to generate a one-time private key. We'll use this key to join the additional gateway. From the one-time key manager, click New to generate the key. Here, an expiration can be set. Once the key is created and copied to the clipboard, we're going to navigate to our machine we want to join to the gateway group and run the DxOdyssey installer. Once the installation finishes, we'll open up the DxOdyssey Management UI. From the Gateway Manager, select Join Gateway Group. Checking the first box ensures that the local gateway will join by registering with the DH2I Cloud Matchmaking Service. Next, paste the passkey from your clipboard into the passkey field. We then check the boxes to activate the gateway after joining and accept the EULA, and then click OK. A warning appears asking if we are sure we want to join the new gateway group. After clicking Yes, wait several seconds. Once completed, we can see the list of gateways in the group, which now includes all 3 machines. For a free 30-day trial of DxOdyssey, visit dh2i.com/trial, or for a deeper, more personalized demo of this software, visit dh2i.com/demo. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to hear from you soon.